You searched how to buy shares of Poste Italiane, the Italian postal, logistics, and financial services group. It trades on CBOE under the ticker PST.MI, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process, and after registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your wallet to make purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PST.MI. Then select the listing that corresponds to Poste Italiane to open its asset page. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to review recent price movement and confirm the displayed name and ticker match Poste Italiane PST.MI. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the buy. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check there to monitor it and find the eToro link in the video description if you want to learn more.